Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to share this amazing brand with you guys here today. So I'm just gonna jump right on into it. So this amazing company called AEPARFUM contacted me. Parfume, not perfume, parfume. I might mispronounce it in the video, but it's called AEPARFUM. Contacted me saying they wanted me to review their products and show it to you guys and see what I think, my honest opinion, things like that. And I said, of course, because I'm someone who loves perfume. What they are is a monthly subscription company where you can subscribe and receive monthly packages as well as create your own personalized perfume bottle, which I find really cool. So in the monthly package, you'll be receiving 6 different perfumes, 10 ml, and you don't have to decide, you don't have to take any weird survey or anything. They will decide for you. The way that works is that they will keep track of the top trending perfumes of the month, and they will send you those perfumes to try at the beginning of the month. So their deliveries are usually after the 25th or under the 25th. That way in the next month, in the beginning of the next month, you get to try out a different scent. So they don't want you to just buy the perfume, but they want you to save money and time. Going to a perfume shop takes so much time because it's so difficult to look for a perfume. It's so difficult to find what you like. You're probably running around with coffee beans and perfume tester papers in one hand while the sales associate is like making you sniff more. But guess what? With this brand, you don't have to do any of that. They'll do all that work for you. So their motto is that you wear different clothes every day, so why not a different perfume, which I find so clever. I don't know why I never thought of this, because I know I've got more than 6 perfumes and I could wear a different one each day. But yeah, I don't do that. But now that I got that motto in my head, thanks to AEPARFUM, I'm definitely going to be doing that. So their perfumes are oil-based, and if you didn't know, oil-based perfumes are extremely long-lasting. And I know for those who don't like to wear alcohol-based perfumes, this is perfect for you, as you can pick any designer perfume that you like, the scent, and they'll create that scent into an oil form. That way you can wear it and you don't have to worry about the alcohol or anything like that, because I know many people don't like to wear alcohol-based perfume. I know I'm going to be getting so many questions if they're real or if they're fake. They're 100% authentic. They're not fake. They're not recreating. It's 100% authentic. It's their own brand. Yes, they are creating scents that are similar to other brands, but it's not the same. Something I find really fair about their company is that they make female and male subscription boxes, so anybody can apply and get a subscription every single month trying a different perfume. Now I'm going to be talking about delivery and how it works. So they're a Dubai-based company, if I didn't mention that already, but their products are made in Swiss, which I find very fancy. So they deliver all across the UAE within 1 to 3 days through Aramex, and they also deliver it to GCC countries such as Saudi, Kuwait, Bahrain, all those. That takes about 5 to 7 working days, but due to the COVID situation, it may take slightly a little bit longer. However, they do try their best to make sure that you get your parcel on time and you're able to try your perfume. So you're probably thinking, like, how do I personalize my own perfume bottle? So the way it goes around is you literally just personalize the bottle and you can pick whatever perfume you like and that will come. So they've got 30 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml where you can personalize the bottle, pick whatever perfume you want in that bottle, and they'll send that to you. So they've got 3 subscription plans. So they've got a 6-month prepaid plan, which is 99 dirhams per month, which I find amazing because many subscription companies are not that cheap. They've also got a 3-month subscription box, which is also prepaid, which is 120 dirhams, and then they've got a month-to-month subscription, which is 150 dirhams. So now with all the information set, I'm going to dig into the package that they've sent me, which was so generous of them. I took a little peek, but I didn't open it. So I'm gonna open it. Oops. So I already seen this. Their packaging is so sleek. So this is the first box they sent me. I'm guessing this is the full-size perfume. That's what it feels pretty heavy, to be honest. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and open this nicely. Ooh, bubble wrap. Everyone loves bubble wrap. But it's not popping. Okay. Yeah, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. I'm guessing this is the perfume. They wrapped it so sleek. Look at that. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I don't want to ruin the wrapping. It's so nice. So I think I picked out a scent on their website, but I think I forgot. But I think I picked out Versace, if I'm not wrong. Oh wow, they wrapped this really well, by the way. Ooh, whoa, this is a big bottle. So this is one of their personalized bottles. So this is what they look like with their brand on it. It's pink. I think I definitely picked this one. Oh wow, wait, hold on. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. I think this is the one I chose. It's the Versace Bright Crystal, if that's the name. Bright Crystal, is it? Yeah, Versace Bright Crystal. I think that's the one I picked. I'm not sure, but oh my god. That smells so good. Oh my god, that smells amazing. So, oh yeah, this bottle is... How much is this bottle? Dude. So as you can see, they gave me a very generous size bottle. I don't know the exact amount of it, to be honest, but I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. But oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Now they've given me the subscription box as well. So this is what you guys are going to receive every month when you subscribe. So this is it. This is their sticker. And I'm going to need scissors. Okay, I'm back with my scissors. I'm so excited. That smells so good. Okay. So, ooh, wow, their packaging's really neat. Hold on, guys, look at that. Wow, their packaging is like, it's really class quality, you know? Find your scent. Wow, oh my god, look at that. So, they even have the names of the perfume written on the back, but they'll also be giving you a card in your boxes where they'll be telling you about the perfume and what they're similar to and such like that. So this is called the Discovery Set. This is what you get in your monthly subscription. So the first set is Lancome Oud Bouquet. If you guys didn't know, they also do bakoor, oud, all those type of things. They do that. So I'm going to be linking their website and their Instagram in the description box for you guys to check out. And I'll also be leaving you guys a code for you guys to get your first order. That'll be linked in the description box as well. So don't forget to use that code, and trust me, it's worth it. So let's try this up. Ooh, this smells good. Hold on. Oh wow, that smells so good. Oh wow, that smells like really nice floral type of oud. It's like that. Oh my god, this is so good. So I got too excited. This is what the bottle looks like, a very decent sized bottle. You can actually throw it into your bag. 10 ml as it is. Oh wow, okay, this is Tom Ford Black Orchid. I've been wanting to try this. My brother's been telling me that I should try this. Ooh. That's really strong. For people who don't like strong, you probably won't like Black Orchid, but I love strong perfume. Oh, it's so good. This reminds me of a perfume that somebody I knew was wearing when I was in New York. Maybe it was some guy on the street. So this is amazing, and I'm going to go through all of them with you guys. So we've got Narciso Rodriguez. I can't say the name for the life of me. For her, I'll try that in a second. Then they gave Christian Dior J'adore. This is my mom's favorite perfume. Oh my god, she's gonna scream when I show her this. Then they gave Christina Herrera Good Girl. I've got this one. Oh, that's good. I can't say the name for the life of me. I'm so sorry, guys. And then we've got Chanel Chance. This, I used to wear this perfume at grade 8. Wow, this smells better than what I remembered. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. This is like Christmas for me. So, again, a little look. This is a nice little velvet thing going on with the perfume. Honestly, guys, I'm so happy. Like, I want to thank a big thank you to AEPARFUM for giving me these two things. Amazing. I'm telling you guys, you have to try it out. If you're someone who loves perfume, their prices are amazing, their quality is amazing, they are long lasting, and if you want, I'll be even doing an update on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow my Instagram where I'll be updating the scent for you guys, how long it's lasting. I'll be checking back with you. And yeah, I'm so happy. I actually have no words because look at the packaging is just so sleek. I'm a sucker for packaging, by the way. So this is just a really good. This is just, you can even get this as a gift for someone, not gonna lie. Like, you just can't go wrong. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys also want to subscribe to this amazing company, I'll leave all the information in the description box below. I'll leave their website, their Instagram. You can even DM them asking them for further questions. Even on their website, they have frequently asked questions, so they literally answer every single question you want. The prices, again, are amazing. I'm going to link everything in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post. And I'll see you guys later.